Alright, this baby's soaked overnight. Take two. See if we can get this guy pressed out of here. Light things up here. Oh my god. If you look closely at it here, I tried to... I did mention to the owner that... Holy smokes! Does it move? Woo! Yeah! Holy cow! Holy smokes! Oh! I'm gonna check my equipment. Get the pop again. Oh! There we go, baby! Ow! That's what I'm talking about, baby! Garbage can. Oh, that's a win. Oh, I got air for days. Oh boy. Oh, this poor machine's been so abused. That is pretty bad right there. Oh well. Still all in one piece and it's not cracked. Alright. Clean those up. Now we can press in the new wheel bearings we got. Well, I think I know why these bearings came out pretty hard. I don't know if you can see that in there. You're looking right down inside here so I can get that. Yeah, you see that right there? These cuts and nicks and grooves. I think somebody has replaced these wheel bearings at one time, possibly without a press, and it looks as if they got in there with a cutting wheel and started cutting stuff out. So that's what happens when you don't use the right tools, right? And you start gouging this stuff out. And you can see even on this end here, see all that damage in there? I mean, you could press a new wheel bearing in there and that damage is superficial, but that kind of scuffing makes these so hard to press out. So now we're going to take some of this Never Sees. So the next guy to take these out, they just fall right out. Well, within reason, of course. A little bit of the Never Sees. Probably not recommended on a car, like a highway application, to put this goop in there. But this will keep it from corroding and having difficulties for the next guy to take it out, which will probably more than likely be me. Maybe if I own the machine. I don't know. Okay, now we'll set her up in the press. I could use one of them big steel blocks that landed on my foot. Something like that. Something like yay. And then the bearing goes in there. Like yay. You should not be able to just press this in with your hands, seeing as it's a press fit style bearing. I'm gonna make sure that baby's going in there straight. And I need that other steel plate Should be able to get this in there nice and square. Just start pressing her home. And you gotta kind of hope and pray that it doesn't kind of start to go in sideways, because they're hard to get out once you start getting them going in one way. Like that. That's already starting off bad. Reset. Reset. That's gonna wanna slide down. So take that guy out of there. Like that. Something is freaking. Figure out how to set the. Yeah, look at that. It wants to just go in like gink. Shoot. Figure out how to set this up in here so it's not sideways. Okay, I'm gonna set this up and I'll come back. Smooth like butter. Just like that. She's home. Yeah. There's number one. Looks good. The seal is still in one piece. Bearing still goes. Ah, yeah, this thing's gonna be wicked when it's all together. Right on. I got another one to do. I'm not gonna do it on camera, but there we go. That's a win. Old bearing out, new bearing in. Yeah, baby. Let's do a test fit of the new axle. New axle into the new wheel bearing. Hopefully, it's not a tight tolerance. It should just slide right in there. Brand new axles. Ooh, yeah. Nice. This in. Get that baby open. New axle nut, very nice. This guy should just slide right in here. Oh, yeah, very nice, very smooth. Oh, ooh, it's gonna be really nice. This machine's gonna be like brand new when I'm done with her. Alright, new parts fit. I like doing the test fit before I get it on the machine, because I've had it, new parts. You think everything's gonna go great, and you go to put it on, and this is too big because they sent the wrong axle. Not fun. Move over here to be putting these new brake discs, new brake rotors on the hubs. Be a pretty quick, easy job. There's no up, there's no down. You just plunk them on there, put a little bit of thread locker on them, and away you go. See if I can do this all in my hand without making too much of a mess. This isn't the red stuff, this is the blue stuff. That'll do just fine. You really don't want these things coming off. There's one done. So I'm not gonna really put any torque on these because they're steel bolts into an aluminum housing and they're very small. As long as you got that Loctite on there, these things ain't coming off. Yeah, those are pretty tight. That little D-wall does a pretty good job. And just like everything else, if you ever have to take them off and you over torque them and then you strip them out, yeah, you're in a world of hurt. Okay, there's one. One done. Bring the other one over. New disc. Plunker in place. Get some thread locker. Put some, you can't even see what I'm doing. God, I need a cameraman. I need a cameraman. Kind of milking this video a little bit, yeah. All right, 2 down. Just got notification today that the bearing and silk kit for the rear diff is coming in. It's finally across the border. Thank God. It's a pain in the ass waiting for that stuff. This will be just a quick video like last night's. There we go. And until next time. Oh, and I ordered some more stuff for the buggy. I'm going to be basically rebuilding everything that I did here. Seeing as it's the Buggy Man channel, I might as well throw some videos up on this machine too. But so the next couple of videos are going to be bouncing back from the 1000 to my buggy. There you go. Bye!